Hello all, very good evening. This is Karthik from RajCloud Technologies. Thank you all for joining the session today. First of all, I welcome you all to today's Snowflake DBT and ADF batch number 16 in demo session. I welcome you all to today's demo session. Before starting the session, I'll just give you some introduction about the course and the institution. Then we'll go ahead with the technical content. Okay. Yes, let me start with the YouTube channel. So we have an official YouTube channel, Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Training. This is our YouTube channel. Okay, if you can see here, so we already have 36,100 plus subscribers already there, and we have uploaded like 500 plus videos here. Okay, if you just go to our channel, go to the video section, you can find out videos related to Power BI, Azure Data Engineering, SAP S4 HANA and FICO, AWS Data Engineering, Cyber Security, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud, Snowflake, and many more. Many more useful videos are available in our YouTube channel. Just visit once. Okay. If you like our content, like the video, subscribe to our channel and comment on it. Just now I have shared you the YouTube channel link over Zoom chat. You can use this link and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we have an Instagram page as well. This is our Instagram page, Raj Informatica, and we have 3,000 plus followers are there. In this Instagram page, exclusively, we will be posting you about the job openings. Wherever there is new job openings are available, wherever there is referrals are available. So we will be posting all the referrals here in our stories. Okay. So please join our Instagram page, so that you'll get the all updates from here. You can see the job openings here. So whenever we add any story here, any job postings here, okay, it will be added to these highlights as well. You can see all the jobs posted till now from this job openings highlights. Okay, and you can see our reviews as well and the student success stories as well. Okay, everything you can just like check out in our highlights as well. Got it? Yes. And we have, I'll be just a second, I'll share this Instagram page link as well. I have just shared you. You can see everywhere, okay, we mentioned as Raj Informatica. Raj Informatica is our Instagram handle name as well. And Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Training is our YouTube channel name as well. Okay, everywhere we mentioned about Raj Informatica. Initially, even the website URL also, rajinformatica.com. Okay, initially we started with Informatica Power Center classes, and later on we have added many cloud technologies here like Snowflake, Azure, AWS, GCP, and many more. That is the reason why we changed the institute name from Raj Informatica to Raj Cloud Technologies. You can see at left top corner, Raj Informatica is now Raj Cloud Technologies. Okay, Raj Informatica is now Raj Cloud Technologies. This is our home page. This is our website home page. If you just scroll down a bit, you can see software trainings that we are offering right now. Okay, so we are offering generative AI, informatica data quality and cloud data quality, AWS data engineering, Azure data engineering, Snowflake DBT and ADF and Snowflake data engineering, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud ISS IDMC, artificial intelligence plus machine learning, cyber security and ethical hacking, Microsoft Power BI data analyst program, AWS DevOps, SAP S4 HANA and FICO training, GCP professional certification training, and Python full stack development, Python for AI and ChatGPT, and Salesforce. Okay. So these are, Informatica is also a technology. Okay. Yeah. So these are the courses that we are offering right now. And if you can just scroll up, you can see there is a new section called upcoming free live sessions. Whenever there is a free live sessions are available, all these links will be posted here. Even you can see today's link as well. Snowflake+DBT+ADF free live session 28th October at 8 p.m. Okay. And 29th October, SAP FICO is there at 8 p.m. And 30th October, Azure Databricks at 8:30 p.m. So like that, like we have sessions. Okay. So wherever there is a free live sessions are available, you can just visit this page. You can get the link as well. Got it? Yes. Apart from the courses and everything, you can see many interview questions are available on Snowflake also. Like we posted many interview questions. Everyone can access these things for free of cost. Okay. Even the people not enrolled also can access these links. Okay. And there are many materials are also available. Internship programs are also available for freshers. Okay. All these things are available. You can just search for rajinformatica.com. You'll get the URL. Okay. If you want, I have just shared you in the chat as well. You can just check it out. Let me go through the Snowflake course right now. Okay. So if you can just scroll down, you can see the Snowflake course here, right? You can just click on this Snowflake course. Just click on this Snowflake course. Everyone will get unmute access also. Stay connected. Stay connected. Once the trial's explanation is done, I'll be helping you with unmute option as well. Don't worry about that. Till now, if you have any doubts, please post in the Zoom chat. Okay. You can see the complete information here. This information is completely about the Snowflake training. Okay. If you can just see here, the new batch is starting from 31st of October. Okay. And the technologies that we are going to teach here is Snowflake, DBT, ADF, Oracle basics and real-time projects, interview questions, everything is cleared here. And the course unique features, job opportunities. What are the job roles available for this particular program? What is the experience required? What is the salary range? You can see every information here. And what are the job roles available right now in the market? And what are the upcoming demanded jobs? Okay. And about the course curriculum. And at the end of the program, what you will be ready to do. Okay. And about the course price is 19,999, but we are offering this course for only 14,999. Again, on this 14,999, there is some special discount is available today. Just stay connected till end of the session so that you are going to get the complete discount details and how we provide the job opportunities, how you get the job assistance. If you have a career gap, how to restart your career, everything will guide you here. Okay, don't worry about that. And the group discounts are also available. If you're a group of people, you can get the group discounts as well here. Okay. And about your trainer Sai Sri Garu, she is a 10 plus years experience already, and she delivered 15 plus batches till now, and she trained more than 1,000 plus people in the RajCloud technologies. Okay, 1,000 plus people got good knowledge on Snowflake right now. Okay, and we have two batches going on, morning and evening. The morning batch are 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST, and the evening batch timings are 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. IST. 1.5 hour a day, Monday to Friday are the classes. Okay, Monday to Friday are the classes. You can see the reviews as well. You can see our student reviews as well here. Okay, so all these you can see here. I'm sharing this page link also over Zoom chat. I'm just sharing this page link as well over Zoom chat. If you want, you can just go through once. Before handovering the session to our trainer, I just want to ask you one question. Just give me a moment. Let me share my screen again. Okay, so I hope you can see my screen. I hope you can see my screen. Okay, so please drop your name and WhatsApp number over chat, over Zoom chat, so that we can help you with today's session recording as well. And I'll also send you the a WhatsApp group, so where there is more than 800 plus people are available for the discussions. These people are from our previous batch and the current batches, and there is a trainers and the experienced people are there. Many professionals are there in the group. Okay, if you want to know anything about the Snowflake or the current job market, or how the people are applying for the job, how the competition is there, and what are the interview questions they are asking in the interviews. Okay, so to know more about all this information, please drop your name and WhatsApp number over chat, so that we will be adding you to the WhatsApp group as well. Okay, yeah, we will be adding you to the WhatsApp group as well. You can discuss more there. And I'm just giving you 1 minute time. I'm just enabling the timer as well. Just give me a second. Okay, so here is the timer. Here is the timer. So keep posting your name and WhatsApp number over chat. Once it is done, I'll hand over the session to our trainer. so that we can just jump into the technical content. I can see still people are sharing. So the chat will be open. The chat will be open throughout the session. So you can keep sharing. You can keep sharing. No need to worry about that. Okay. So just stay connected till end of the session, so that in the end of the session, I'm going to help you with how the opportunities are available right now and how you can try. So everything complete job assistance, like how it will be, and how about the discount available today. Each and everything I'll help you at the end of the session. Just to stay connected. Okay, just to stay connected. If you have any other works or if you wanted to drop in between, just message me personally here. Okay, I am the host here. You can see, you can message to host directly, so that I can just connect you personally and I can help you with the remaining content from there. Okay, got it? Yes. Sai Sri, over to you, please.
Hi everyone, good evening. Thanks for joining in the session. So I'm trainer actually here. I'm working with different badges in RajCloud technology from long time. And coming to my profile, first let me introduce myself and I will go with the subject. Okay. So coming to my profile, guys, I have overall 11 plus years of experience in IT. Okay, pure IT technology is only 11 plus, but my career started with the big data first of all actually. So because at that time Snowflake is not there in market, big data technology is very, we have more opportunities. So I started my career with big data. Later on, when I'm looking for the cloud technologies, there in that search I found the Snowflake, and I changed my career from big data to Snowflake. That is the reason completely I have IT background only, and completely I worked with the big data and cloud technologies. Cloud technology means like Snowflake combination, mainly with Snowflake with Azure, Snowflake with AWS, Snowflake with the DBT. Like these combinations I worked. So whatever I am explaining in this, what I mean in the trainings, everything is from my experience only. What I learned, how I started my career, all the struggles I know how to, at that time I don't have any guidance, so I know each and every step how to get into that new subjects and how to go with our different pipelines, how companies are expecting from us, all that experience what I faced, all that I'm keeping in the training. So my training is completely real time. It may be experience wise, project wise, or technology wise. Everything I have exposure in a real time, and I am giving the training on basis of that. So coming to training also, completely how my profile is there. They were till end of the session or end of the batch, I'll give the same information only. How my profile is there right now in the market, same like that. All the things I will cover in the training. So I'm not copying anybody's content, or I'm not copying anybody's company, not like that. Whatever projects I experienced, how I improved myself on one technology with the different combinations. Same way, I'm training you all the combinations, and I will help you and I will guide you how to make your profile. Now, right now, you are with the different technology, how you can convert into Snowflake, that all care take care. Because person to person, I know every profile is different case, different experience, different issues also we can hear. So I don't want to group everything as a single word. Non-IT people will be there, IT people with one technology from 10 years, working in the same company 10 years, 12 years with the same technology, with no hike. So different problems we will see in the IT market actually, right? So I know how to deal with all combination of profiles, because on the trainings, only on Snowflake training. Before Snowflake also, I'm the trainer only. Only on Snowflake training, I have almost 5+ years of experience. So when I started my career, when I got the exposure properly on Snowflake, I started my trainings immediately at the lockdown time. So from that there onwards, now I trained many people with career gaps, no IT experience, no job experience people, no IT experience, like different profiles, guys. Okay, who is having 16 years experience, but still they're getting 5, 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs packages. So all these kind of profiles already I tried and I got different successes also. So that is the reason, based on your profile I'll get. That's a different story. But how you want to enter into the subject, how you want to get the job easily, what market is expecting from you. Learning Snowflake, anyone can train you. That is not a problem. Anyone can train you. But what kind of directions you have to follow in this technology also, what techniques, what pipelines, what combinations you have to follow, and which combination is best for projects, all this you have to learn, right? That all exposures you will get here. Okay, one day I cannot complete the entire guidance. When going with the 2 months journey, okay, you'll travel with 2 months. So in the 2 months, every day we will interact every day, right? So in that journey, slowly I'll share everything, some information to you. With that information, you can improve yourself. I'll give training not only on the subject, how to plan for interview preparation, how to prepare for interview, what are the things you have to focus to clear the interview, where you have to brush up. Everything else, all my struggles, when I struggled in all these cases, I got some solution, right, which helped me a lot. That I will apply here. Okay, so not only subject, these struggles also have like a real time experience only. I'll help you everywhere. Okay, this is about me. And coming to Snowflake here, end to end technology wise, I'm talking. And remaining recordings, all this admin team only will take care. Technically, any question it may be, I'm only the person who is going to clear your all doubts. It may be classes time or out of classes, or when you are joining, you have some doubts. Any cases, technically you can connect with me. If you want to connect, you have to connect with the admin team. They will help you to how to connect with me. Okay, so here I'm not talking only the persons specifically who is already available in IT or who is working in IT, like that I'm not saying. Generally, anyone how can deal with this subject, what are the things I'm going to cover, how you can get the opportunities, like that overview I will give today. Okay, so first of all, what I am going to do here means, as a trainer, I'm going to, sorry guys, 1 minute. Yeah. As a trainer, what are the subjects I'm going to cover means, tech topics actually, Snowflake. Okay. So I know so many people don't know what is Snowflake. Actually, IT technology or IT only they don't have. I mean, they didn't do any job till now. One job also under like IT as a IT person or software developer, they didn't deal with one job or they don't have job. This kind of people also how to handle this Snowflake. Everything I will explain. But let us go with the scratch level. Some people who is having experience, they know already these points, but still I want to cover each and every person, right? So I will go very scratch level. Okay, so Snowflake today, everyone here to understand what is Snowflake. Is it best to our career or not? Is it really helpful to us? Or in how many years I can go with the Snowflake? How many years I can depend on the Snowflake technology for jobs? This all kind of doubts you'll have, right? First of all, what is Snowflake? We can understand. Actually, Snowflake, how powerful in the IT we can understand. Okay, before going to Snowflake topic, let us go with about the history. Okay, so generally guys, why we want to do here Snowflake, one minute, yeah, why Snowflake is very powerful in IT right now means, before that, actually in not on Snowflake, in real time, in our real world, I'm saying, if you go with real world, long back onwards, we have OLTP concept, nothing but database. Okay, database concept is the not today's concept. It's a very old topic only. Database, right? So database, when you are using bankings, right? Bank you are using, how your data is saving, how your day amount is, this is the value we have, this is the transaction happen, this all database only, right? Not only here, you are going to government offices. There also you'll have details, your details, Aadhaar card. Like this, lot of things are there in market. Government is dealing with lot of people's data. How they are dealing with the database only. Okay, so database is mainly to store the data. But which data? Live data. Online transaction process means very real time it is going to store inside of the data. Till here, that's fine. So if the normal websites, normal, that's fine. Suppose you are going with e-commerce means like shopping kind of tech platforms generally. Okay, if you touch that, okay, if you go with that, then what about the analysis? Generally in olden days, if you observe, well, if you have a shop, okay, something shop is there, groceries, so there if you observe, person used to give more products based on the people's interest in the street, what they are expecting more, what kind of 10 rupees packets or 20 rupees or half kilo, they will focus on that, what customer expectation, customers repeatedly which item they're asking, so they will understand and they will improve their business. This is the olden days business, this, like this only used to happen. So sometimes sample items they used to go take, I mean bring, if that is sold out then they used to improve, others if the people are not purchasing, they won't go with that product only. Like this, based on the street, based on their people I mean capacity, what they're expecting, all this will be calculated by the business. Based on that they will improve their products. This is the old strategy. Okay, but now it's all completely online platform, right? Not only now, before lockdown also we have online options, right? So now we are not going to understand the people's analysis with this long process. Then companies came with OLAP concept. This is data warehouse. Okay, now what is happening? Once the product launched, every hour, a week, every month are giving good feedback. What is the problem? Getting analysis right now within seconds, right? Are you able to hear me? If not, let me know. I'm clear. Okay. So like that, everything they have. If you audio issue means I'm not clear. This, if anything, any product is launched, immediately we are getting the feedback. If you want to purchase the mobile also, you are looking at the, I mean, you are looking at the feedbacks and you are purchasing, right? So this all happening how? Because of analysis. Okay, people are purchasing, their require their feedbacks, their analysis, people interest, all this searching, search of how many people search today, which is newly one iPhone launched. With the search of percentage only they can understand how many people are interested to buy that. Okay, within 1 month they can understand entire product process. So like this complete analysis, data is okay, database is helping us to store the live data, that is okay. To understand the project, okay, to understand the product related purchasing, all these details we have to depend on OLAP. Okay, online transaction process is database, data warehouse or online analytical process. So to this analytical process, data warehouse concepts are very
Sai Sri guys, sorry to
in the
interrupt
market.
you.
So now coming to Snowflake, Snowflake is
Sai Sri guys, sorry to interrupt you. 1
breaking,
second,
right?
please.
My voice is
Actually, your voice is completely breaking. Okay, the people cannot understand. They are texting in the chat actually.
okay.
Can
Okay,
you please check your
I'm
connection
changing my
again?
net.
Yes,
I'm
please.
changing. I changed my network. That's the
Yeah,
reason I got
please.
doubt. Okay. Okay. So guys, OLTP is completely data purpose. That's it. It will store the real-time data. That's a work. But analysis process is very important for each and every business. So olden days when the internet is not in the market, that time based on the purchasing, they understood, okay, these are the mindsets, this street people or this state people or like that. Different depends on state to state, village, like depends on that. They used to understand and they used to improve the products. Now the world was changed, completely cloud. So completely internet, we are using, completely everyone is using internet, right? So in that case, what is happening here? Analysis is important, not on the offline, online analysis is very important. So every product related analysis is happening on the internet only. So that is the reason data warehouse concept is mainly for analysis, for analysis process means online analytical process means one product, what is the purchasing, I mean how many percentage of the purchasing returns, or they are reordering, any issues, feedbacks, reviews, all this will be included. So with that we can easily understand the product status in the market. So now till now so many warehouses concepts are there in market. This is not new, okay, but cloud data warehouses is very different. When our lockdown comes into the market, I mean when we faced lockdown 2020, that time, then companies started looking at the cloud. Okay, before lockdown nobody thought about cloud only. Whatever they have, they used to continue with that. Maybe Teradata, Informatica, Redshift, like there's so many technology concepts are, I mean, different platforms are there for data warehouse concept, big data. That all they used to use actually. Very, very less companies used Snowflake. But when Snowflake came into the when lockdown is when we are into the lockdown period, then companies started doing R&D, which cloud technology is best in future. In future, now it's a lockdown because of COVID. In future, anything we can expect. So long run, which technology is best in that entire analysis, Snowflake is in the good place. So Snowflake is nothing but cloud data warehouse concept. Snowflake is a cloud data warehouse. Okay. So like this, Snowflake got an opportunity in the market because already Snowflake is existed in the market, but nobody look at that point. But lockdown 2020 onwards, lot of R&D, lot of research after clients decided let us use Snowflake. You can ask me, already we have some cloud technologies, right? Yes, I will agree. Yes, we have. Still comparing with those technologies, they will check the performance, cost, maintenance. A lot of things will come into the picture, not only just technology name. So with all the comparison, 2021, so many companies started migrating. That is the reason Snowflake is not like 5 years or 6 years will be in the market. Okay, it will be long run, maybe 10 years. You no need to touch any technology. Yes, I'm sure. Already I'm enjoying that period. 10 more years, I no need to look at back with the new technology completely. How you are joining, how you are training from one some different technology to Snowflake. Like that, I don't want to shift because already companies are working on top of the Snowflake. So it is an analytical process, means data warehouse. Business will be like a continuous process. Every day, Amazon is there. You are purchasing now. If one product is launched by Amazon, how it is increasing the sales generally. Okay, today it will launch, it will wait. If many people are purchasing, that's fine. If not purchasing, they will check what is happening. They will rectify their issues. Again, they will keep that price different percentage, something they will add, and again they'll start selling it. So like this, they are improving. If which is not good quality, they're improving the quality, which is good quality. They are standardizing that quality of the product. So Amazon is doing lot of business in around across the world. I'm not talking about India. Across the world, Amazon is working now. How it is working with manual resources? No, completely is working with the cloud only. Amazon e-commerce is completely working with the cloud. So how it is working means it is focusing on the analytics part. Analytics are good means we are done with our business. So that is analysis process. So that kind of company is also looking for the Snowflake today because the process is easy, the management is easy, the cost basis also is good for clients. They are okay with the cost also, and comfort zone means different sources are a lot of sources are able to connect with the Snowflake. Like this, lot of comparison if you do with the different technologies with the Snowflake, benefits are more. That's the reason mainly Snowflake is a good place in the market. Coming next years, I'm saying coming next 10 years, you no need to look for any other technologies. Add-on will happen because when I came into the market with Snowflake, only if I know Snowflake architecture also they used to hire. Very less people. So many people don't know what is Snowflake. At that time, I am into the market, right? Snowflake basic questions are enough to get in job generally. That phase two, now they didn't remove the Snowflake. They added combinations. You can go with AWS for storage purpose, Azure for storage by all are pipelines only, DBT for transformations. Like this, they added the technologies. I mean, combinations are added, but Snowflake is like a standard position only. Okay, so that is the reason, guys. Snowflake is nothing but you are learning cloud data warehouse concept, which is very important for every business person. Okay, including us also. Now we are our institute is running training programs, right? So they also have to understand they have to go with the reviews percentage, how many students, that all calculations will be there. Not only one e-commerce, any business, go with the finance insurance companies, go with any business. Without analytics they cannot complete the business. If you go with one hospital also, which kind of treatments are happening more, which medicine is sold out more, but what kind of scans happening more, this all analysis will happen. According to that back end, what they will do, which scans are very less, very less percentage is there. Only if we don't have requirement, or sometimes hospital people will write the scan to do. Actually, you don't want the scan because to improve the percentage of usage. So general, I'm saying this is happening in the corporate hospitals. I know that. That's the reason I'm giving example. So every company, every domain is back will take the help of analytical process. Because of that only I'm saying 10 years you no need to think about any other technology. After 10 years also maximum you no need to think, but combination if increase you have to learn. When I am into the market, Snowflake only. After the Snowflake with AWS. After that, Azure in ADF part actually. Snowflake with ADF is more combination. Like Snowflake with the DBT. Like this, improvements happen. So I added the technologies, but my old technologies are continued with that. Okay. So this is so next one. Languages. People will get now. Okay, Sai Sri, you're saying Snowflake is good with the market, all this. Then what about the sub pre-request? Actually, guys, all combination of profiles I'm saying. Okay, if it means like IT, non-IT, different technologies, all any combination I'm saying. If you know SQL, good. It's really good. That's enough. I'm not expecting anything from you. Okay. Even basic knowledge of Snowflake also, I'm not expecting. If you know SQL, that is good. If you don't know SQL, for example, already Institute is giving you SQL classes. Okay. Like Karthik will explain you what are the SQL classes, how they will provide generally. But Institute is already providing SQL. At least complete that classes. That's enough. You no need to do your any other homework. Complete SQL and be ready with for our classes. That's it. Okay. I'm not expecting any other I mean knowledge from you. Okay, even cloud like AWS, I don't know, Azure, not no problem. You don't know, right? I'm there to train from scratch level. Who don't know Snowflake? From there to till end of the projects, I will train you. So I'm expecting only SQL. Why I'm expecting SQL means SQL is a language. If you want to learn English or Hindi or Telugu anything, you have to practice it. It's not one concept, right? With one two syntaxes we cannot complete. It's a language. If we read, if we speak, if we practice, we will get, right? Same way SQL is also language. Practice is important. That is the reason. It's totally you have to keep your interest to learn SQL. Okay, apart from that remaining all I will take care. Then SQL also says you how which level I want to. Intermediate is enough. Intermediate is enough. Okay, intermediate SQL like joins, CTEs, case statements, having, where, functions. This is enough. I'm not expecting more than that. Okay, so SQL is only. Then Python Sai Sri means no Python. We are completely SQL people only who are SQL developers. For them, Snowflake is nothing actually. So SQL is only no Python, no JavaScript, no Scala, nothing. Only SQL is enough because Snowflake technology is made with the SQL interface. That is the reason. Okay. I hope you understood all the content. So this is I'm going to cover, guys. This is a combination Snowflake with AWS, Azure, and DBT. This all whatever you want, you no need to worry. Oh, SaiSri AWS is a cloud provider. I want to learn a completely technology means no. What is required for Snowflake developer that I will train. Simple. How my profile is the same way I will make your profile. Simple. Okay. So if I go with little bit deep level of the topics actually, why Snowflake is coming into the market this much with a huge, what will say, uh, opportunities, I can say demand. Why we are having more demand in the market with Snowflake means, yes, there is a reason, guys. Actually, before COVID, people used to work with the traditional data warehouses. Okay, they had a lot of issues. Still, they are continued with that because already they settled on with the technology. When they started looking for the cloud, they found a lot of benefits of cloud only. In that also, Snowflake is having more benefits. If you want to connect with the different sources, you can take the help of Snowflake. Traditional it is tough, but Snowflake it's a very easy. Handling the semi-structured data. Yes, Snowflake can handle the semi-structured data like XML, JSON, all this. But traditional we cannot. Okay, sharing process. Yes, easily we can share the data with Snowflake because data sharing concept is there. But traditional is not easy. Its process is there, but not easy. Not only that, resource management like compute layer for executing the query, scale up, scale out, all maintenance is done by the Snowflake only. Here we have to manage. If you go to traditional, developers and admin have to take care about how many allocate compute resources have to allocate, how much storage layer have to allocate, storage outage, okay, storage issues, all this we will face in traditional. That all are resolved in the cloud actually, mainly in the Snowflake combination. And software hardware setup. Traditional we have software and hardware setup, but Snowflake we don't have, only software. Just like this interface only, just this interface, guys. You have to log in. How you log in with your email ID? Just like sign up and use the technology. That's it. Okay, so just GUI interface, no hardware setup, no software setup, just login option. That's it. Okay, and unlimited limitations is there in traditional for query execution or users execution. Here, no limitations, completely open. I mean, we are very easy to handle. Okay, still my voice is breaking. Srikanth, Srikanth, Lenovo, someone. Okay, thank you. So, like the limited queries, queries, users, this all whatever issues we are facing in traditional, that all resolved in the Snowflake. Okay, that's the reason people are showing a lot of interest. How it is resolved means because of architecture also, guys. I will talk later on about architecture also in coming up classes. Because of architecture, architecture design, we are having a lot of advantage or make maximum. We no need to do any manual management only. Management work is zero. Okay, maximum work is zero. We no need to worry on the account management only. Account setup, laptop version issue, laptop, what is the laptops will support or not, nothing like that. Just how you'll use Gmail ID, same like that you can use Snowflake account. So completely cloud platform. That is the reason. Okay. And coming to the here where it will suitable means, it's already warehouse concept, right? So different sources it can connect like OLTP, applications, third party, logs, IoTs, any other tools, anything it can connect. Okay, and the data which is available in Snowflake can consume by Tableau people, Power BI, or data science people, any other any other end people, user end people, anyone can share get the data from Snowflake. So it will support 100 data sources and different consumers also it will support. Okay, and we can host on the GCP provider or AWS or Azure. This hosting process, it will be a bit confusion right now. When I'm explaining you account creation, it will be easy, so don't worry about this hosting process. Okay, I will explain it. So then how this is managing? So actually you're saying no versions, nothing, right? Then still how it is managing means, yes, Snowflake is completely depending on the addition process, completely additions only. Okay, so standard edition, enterprise edition, business critical edition, and virtual private Snowflake edition. So standard edition is actually, it's a basic edition, very basic edition. Standard edition is okay. So advanced things are missing. Basic edition actually, using the standard edition features, they added enterprise features. Means advanced features are added. So if you are go with the large scale industry, you can go with the enterprise. Okay. Then after that, business critical. Okay. Business critical means all the whatever the sensitive data is there. If that kind of projects, then you can go with the business critical edition. So depends on the projects clients when they are setting the Snowflake account, easily they can handle with I mean easily they can decide which edition is suitable for the business. So completely it depends on the business clients, they will decide which edition is suitable. So that is the reason we are not following any version. So no upgrades, no installations, no setup, no hardware management, completely software only, and we will follow the editions pattern. What is this editions also I will explain you. This is just overview I'm giving the information. Okay. So completely Snowflake is a edition based require software. Is it clear? Okay, why Snowflake is different from other? Sorry, why Snowflake is different from other technology? I mean, other cloud means it is a single place for scaling. I mean, compute resources, single place for data, and single place for execution the queries. Mainly, management work is very easy. We are not going to do 100% management of the account. Snowflake Cloud Service Layer is going to do. So that is difference. And data sharing, getting the live data. Okay, and architecture mainly the architecture is different comparing to other technologies. This architecture is different. Okay, why it different also I'll explain you that because of architecture differences also we are getting more benefits from the Snowflake. If you compare generally, if you want to compare also, if you compare with the Redshift, okay, because Redshift is a technology which is coming from AWS services. If you go through that, so AWS services is giving the Redshift for us, right? So, but Redshift can come only with the combination of AWS. But Snowflake is not like that. You can work Snowflake with Azure combination, Snowflake with AWS combination, Snowflake with GCP combination. Any combination you can go and you can use. So that is the difference. So Redshift is only for AWS. Okay, this is for different. Not only that differences, Redshift is the combination of or combined the compute and storage layer. But Snowflake is working independently because of that lot of benefits are the performance, storage, managing the clusters, like that lot of benefits are there. And Snowflake can handle the semi-structured data comparing to this. Okay, and every charge whatever they're charging you, it will be very clear because of separate layers. Okay, and like this lot of benefits are there comparing Redshift with Snowflake. Not only Redshift, yes, if you can compare with the Teradata also. Teradata, if you want to do the data backup generally, if in Teradata, what you have to do, you have to say like send a mail and you have to sit with the admin, and it's a work process to do the data backup. But same work if you do in Snowflake without anybody's help, without disturbing the current data, within 2 minutes we can complete the data backup using time travel concept. Like this, so many concepts are advanced level comparing to Teradata and Snowflake. Not only that, architecture level also, Snowflake and compute layer and storage layer, the linker services. But Snowflake is not like that. It's completely separate. Okay, semi-structured data handling, how I mean connect with the different sources. That all whatever the issues we are facing in Teradata, that all resolved in the Snowflake. So many things. So like this, so many benefits we found. Not only we actually, client already is doing a lot of R&D and they came with this picture. Okay, so a simple words, some information I'll say. We are doing the jobs today. If this technology is not good, after 2 years we can change it to other technology. That's not a matter to any developer. But clients are not like that. They're paying the money for technology. They're paying the money for employees also, right? For us. So in that case, if they're choosing one technology, they will think 1,000 times is it good to do or not, because every year or every 2 years or every 3 years they cannot change the technologies. It's a lot of cost based work, right, lot of cost will be involved, right? So that is the reason clients are accepting Snowflake is the best right now in the market. Then obviously we can 100% without any doubt we can move forward to get into the Snowflake. Okay, you don't keep much doubts. Now if you open the Naukri, if you check also, lot of opportunities are there. You go with the Naukri, you go with the LinkedIn. No need to depend on us also, no need to trust us. You can also open our resources only. Just go and check Naukri and LinkedIn. Lot of opportunities are there. Why? Because client decided this is the best. We can set this technology minimum 10 to 15 years. They will go with a long run approach, right? Obviously they already done a lot of R&D. Okay, so that's all cases also you can observe, and you can, I can say yes, Snowflake is good, guys. Till now in my career I didn't get any break, because completely when I want opportunity, when people will say market is down, November is not right time to change the job, this all people will say, I changed in November. In November 23rd I got new opportunity. So there is no this month is good, this month is not good for job change, or this year, this 6 months, the IT is down. This all we will hear because of other technology. In Snowflake is, it's like a continuous hiring process. You can check PwC is there, we have openings. For example, I'm saying go with the TCS, Capgemini, anywhere you can go. Not only MNCs, normal companies also working with Snowflake. So opportunities wise, it's good in the market. As a developers, we need opportunities, we need job security, we need salary. Salary and opportunities are completely good with the Snowflake. Job security also good, because requirement is there, means automatically our job also will be in a secured only. If we are learning with the old technologies, there is a doubt. Maybe layoffs will happen. But Snowflake developers never, right now, as per this many years travel, I'm saying, I didn't hear anywhere Snowflake people done, I mean, this technologies people got the layoff issue. So no layoffs will come to us because of trend. Right now, that is the trend. That is available in the projects, right? So continuous requirements also will get into the market. This all basis I'm saying, yes, it's a good to learn. Who is changing the career is good. Who want to improve the salaries, who want to step into the IT, all the background people, it is good. Then learning is very tough, so I assume 100% it is not tough, guys. Completely SQL and GUI interface only. You no need to do any magics here. Whatever the concepts I am training you, if you use properly, that's enough. That's enough for the completing your job. Okay, for example, this is sample data also I'm running. I'll show you how to create the account in next sessions. Generally, I'm showing the simple information. Okay, so simple. So very easy interface. You no need to do configurations internally also. You no need to do whatever the traditional technologies, other technology complications is there. This all is vanished here. We no need to worry about that. Just company only will give this account access. You have to go and you have to do the based on your task, you have to write the queries. That's it. So this much easy technology it is. Okay. Okay, I will take small break here. Yeah, I'll give unmute access also. You can ask the question. Yeah, DK, your name is DK actually here. Yes, every class. Okay, good question. Every class of, I mean, every class I'm saying, whatever the classes I'm taking, maximum 2 to 3, I cannot show you practically because it's a theoretical class, Snowflake architecture like that. 2 or 3 classes, that's it. The remaining all classes will be practical. Without executing the queries, I won't wind up the session one day also. Okay, so everything is the practical session only here. Okay, not theory. I'll give, I mean, theoretically, I will explain you, but I'll prefer more practically. Okay, you can speak out now because you have access for unmute, guys.
Hi SaiSri, this is Bharat Kumar.
Yeah, Bharat. Yeah,
I have an I was working currently on Talent ETL tool.
okay.
In one of the project, Snowflake is the DB for me. So that time the interface will be looks the same. So that time I'll just using the running the queries and creating the talent jobs. Not much into the Snowflake.
Okay.
So here the Snowflake with the other I mean ETL combination like DBT or ADF like right.
Right.
So here, I mean, all the partition things are you are going to explain in Snowflake. What exactly?
Yes. One, I'll show you. Actually, this is going to happen. Actually, guys, I'm saying DBT all these guys. Yeah, I'm saying AWS, right? AWS actually for source purpose means AWS will work like a source for us. Okay, AWS S3 bucket will have files. Those files we will load into Snowflake using some pipelines. This is one combination. Here also in Azure storage layer, Azure also will have storage blobs, right? Storage in the files. So using ADF, I will load the data into Snowflake. Okay. So this also we will follow the pipelines to load the data into Snowflake. Here also we'll follow the ADF pipelines to load the data into Snowflake. So this is completely working as a source for us. Snowflake first it is sources, then Snowflake. Okay, Snowflake is the target. But DBT is not like that. DBT is actually data build tool. Full form is, what is the purpose of this means using only pure Snowflake also we can do DBT, sorry, transformations. But if you want to go with advanced technique, okay, easy and advanced technique, deployment process, that all if you want to cover, now market is going with the DBT. Snowflake will be there. Snowflake is the database. On top of that, DBT will be hosted, and there we will write the queries. So pure Snowflake projects are available in the market. Snowflake with the DBT also available in the market. So almost DBT interface will be like this. Current batch is going with DBT. So like this, you don't, right now you may not understand much, but with the backend Snowflake is working. DBT is just a transformation purpose. You don't have any storage layer. You don't have any compute layer. Just it will hold the code and it will execute on top of the Snowflake database. That's it. That's the reason these two combinations are available. One pure Snowflake, Snowflake with DBT.
Yeah, okay. So I'm trying to change the technology, transforming the technology to Snowflake. So when I see the openings, many of the people are putting the job description like Snowflake, Python, like that they're putting under DBT. So Python is required here.
Yeah, good question. This is one really thing people are confusing a lot because if you observe, I didn't take one screenshot. If you observe, whatever the JDs they are providing is not correct. Why size you are saying not correct means before lockdown, I am also one of the person used to go with the JDs only, and I used to apply based on the JDs. But after that, so many people are doing copy paste. Sometimes they will ask big data also. Why already Snowflake is the ETL tool. Okay, I mean extraction, load, transformation, this all it able to do. Then in that case, what big data will do? Big data is also kind of data warehouse concept only, but they're asking this kind of requirements, which is really not correct. Means my point is these are not right JDs. So you should not look at the JD. If you have this title, you can apply. That's it.
Okay, you said Snowflake, purely Snowflake, and Snowflake with DBT.
See here, this is little bit. See now
Uh-huh.
they are saying it looks the Matillion or ADF, and if Matillion is there, then why ADF? See one project, if project is already available in their company right now, project is running, Matillion they will use or ADF they will use. Why they will use two?
Okay.
Point only, right? Why they have to mention Matillion or ADF? They should not give options. They will have to give correct process to us, right? So this
Yeah.
is the way they are not giving right JDs. My experience, this is I never look at JDs. I'll go directly with the experience. I will check. If 3 to 8 years means 2 year, 2 to 2.5 years also people can apply. Till 9 to 10 years also people can apply. Means they are asking 8 means we till 10 years people can apply. They will accept. Just applying button only, right? Maximum if our profile is matching, they will accept. So like
Okay.
this, see, Azure DevOps. Why need the purpose of Azure DevOps? Actually, I didn't see anywhere using Azure DevOps only.
Exactly.
And yeah, Python. Actually, if you want to write the Python in the interface also, for actually, I mean, right now, Snowflake company wise, I'm saying they're trying to involve A and ML people also in our interface. Means Databricks. If you take, if anyone have Databricks knowledge, in Databricks, data engineer can work, and ML and AI machine learning people also can work in one interface. Anyone have idea? No.
No.
Data engineer and data science people can work in single Databricks interface. I have a little bit background on that. That's the reason I'm saying. Same like that, this Snowflake company also trying to do. Okay, for them, for that purpose, they added 1 minute, I'll show you. They added Python worksheets also. But actually, we are not going to do anything with the Python. No use only for us. As a data engineer, I'm talking. If A and ML people have started working with our interface, Snowflake interface, then for them compulsory Python worksheets are important. So this all changes, people are getting confusion. Python is important for Snowflake. Till now, I didn't use any Python scripts in my interface. I'm working with projects, right? Got it? Bharat? Yeah. Hello. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. It's too silence. Okay. So don't look at JDs. JDs are literally they're doing copy paste. They're taking 4 to 5 JDs and they're keeping in ChatGPT and they're giving to us. It's not correct. Focus on the titles, experience, and location and apply. That's it. Okay. Salary also, you no need to worry. Some people will say 10 to 20 lakhs. 5 to 8 years experience. 10 is not optional. 10 lakhs, nobody will look. Minimum 20, sorry, minimum 20 or more than that 20. Okay. But they will keep some point. Just leave it. Apply if your title is matching, your experience is matching, apply for that opportunity. Okay. That's the way how you have to deal. I am also working like that only. No need to worry. So with all this, I tried multiple ways and I got the idea how JDs are going right now. This is DBT interface, guys. You won't understand anything right now, but don't get afraid. Like 5 to 6 topics will be there. If you learn that, DBT is done. So Snowflake only will have a lot of topics. DBT is very less topics. Okay, everything I will take care. Your job is just join on time, complete your pending topics, and be on the track. That's it. And focus on SQL if you are not good with SQL. Clear? Any specific questions, please?
Sai Sri, I have some career gap. I'm
Um,
suitable to learn this course.
Okay. You only get right career gap of 4 years. Am I right?
No, no, not 4 years. Actually, from 2020 to 2024, I have worked in Convent, but after that, some personal issues, I was not joined anywhere.
Okay. So
Almost 1.5 years of I have a career gap.
1.5 years.
Yeah, after resign company.
Actually, I won't say you cannot get the job. That's not right. We will get the job, but struggle will be there because few companies will accept, few companies may not, right? As an immediate joiner, your profile is good actually. They may accept more. More chances are acceptancy. But you don't need to focus first on the packages. Whatever the package you have, if you have 10 lakhs, for example, you'll get good package only. But you cannot demand 100% high. Getting my point? You have to be there and here with the adjustment of salary there and here, but you'll get opportunities. You like applying for small companies is best for you. Maximum they will take they can give offers opportunities more because packages wise, if it is very high package we are demanding, MNC will expect gap is there. They will ask multiple questions also. But normal companies, mid-level companies will accept because of your gap plus you are asking like 50% hike like that, right? They will accept. Once you are settled on with one company, 1 year like that, 1.5 year, then you can go with the next change with a good package, high package mainly. Depends on your.
Package is not important for me, but
Mhm.
job only.
You have to say come back with IT, right? So that case
Yes.
you can focus. Mid-level company 100% they will accept you because you have content. You are able to give the proper. I mean, you are able to clear the interviews. Means they will accept you. No doubt in that. Do little bit hard work. You can settle down. Means try to come whenever we are completing the course next 2 months. Immediately try to jump for the interviews. Don't take long time. Okay,
Okay.
who is already having the job, that's a different case. They won't get time, they want the preparation time. You're already in the like immediate joiner, right? So you should like attend for the interest also immediately. That is my point. And who said 4 years gap? We cannot cover your 4 years back. You want to take the documents. Karthik will explain you.
No, I
Okay.
don't have for it. Just one and a half.
Not was not you. Some other person asked me.
Right. Shri, it's me only.
Yeah. BS. Yeah. For
Yeah.
you, without documents, we cannot manage because if ladies means they can say family, children's, all these stories. But for gents, it's very tough. So better you have to go with the documents, and also you should apply only the small companies which don't think take more care about the background verification. So don't touch MNCs. That's my point. Simple. Infosys, this all don't touch. Remaining companies you can apply.
Okay. So here one more thing is there, Shri,
Mm.
because no, we having BGs and all, no, it's like
Mm. Mm.
some companies will have like strong BGs.
Yes, right.
So
Actually,
it's not
MNCs only will have strong BGVs.
okay.
Normal companies
You
will not.
mean okay? Small
MNCs
companies you
only.
mean to say not having it.
No, not much. Because they are already getting the resources with the low cost, right? They cannot invest on the BGV much. But MNCs first round after also they are trying to check the BGV, then only second round they schedule. For me, it happened. But normal companies, it
Yeah.
won't happen.
Yeah. So then how can we identify like it's like small companies and all?
See,
Is there any?
Infosys, IBM. Sometimes they in call only they will ask you, do you have a PF number? Do you have UN number? Like that. If they're talking much about the background documents, better give the interview, don't join. First of all, my point is give the interview for all the companies. It may be MNC also, no problem. But when you are trying to join, let me know. I'll guide you. Giving interviews is experience, right? No problem. You can go with all the companies. Okay? I'll
Okay.
guide you. Exactly
Okay.
this list I
Okay.
cannot say, but I can guide you at that time.
Okay. Sure. Thank you.
Sai Sri, just I'll take 2 minutes here.
Yeah, please you can.
Hi everyone, this is Karthik again. I'm back. So as I said you, there is some like I said you like there is some special discount is available for you, right? And about the discount, about the job assistance, I'm going to help you now. Coming to the job assistance, see, even if you don't know like how to answer, tell me about yourself question also. That is fine. We will start with that, okay? We will start with that. How to answer, tell me about yourself question. How to convert your current experience into relevant experience. If you have a career gap, how to cover this career gap with experience, how to put the fake experience, how to get the certificates, how to manage the background verification. Each and every step will take care. No need to worry about that. Okay. So the only one thing that you need to do is whatever the relevant experience that you want to showcase on Snowflake, okay, you just concentrate on the course and get that knowledge. If you want to try with 5+ years of experience, just try to be as a 5 years experience candidate, gain good knowledge, ask multiple questions, get the complete knowledge on the each and every topic so that like you can easily clear the 5+ experience interview as well. Okay. In the same way, the remaining students as well, like whoever want to try with the 3+, 2+ or 1 year or freshers as well. Okay. So for freshers, it will be a really great opportunity because as we are training everyone as an experienced candidate, whoever is a fresher right now, they'll get really huge knowledge. Even though they just gain like 30 to 40% of the knowledge from the content as well, that is more than enough to clear the interview. Got it? Yes. And coming to the offer and everything I said you, right? So if you just search for rajinformatica.com, there is some special offer is available on our website. You can see here, flat 10% discount is available. Flat 10% discount is available on all our courses. Okay. So if you just go to the Snowflake page, click on pay and enroll now. Click on pay and enroll now. Okay. And the batch which is starting now is a morning batch. Okay. If you just click on pay and enroll now, 10% card discount is already added and the course price will be 14,999. After 10% discount, the course price will be 13,499. Okay. 13,499. Got it? This will be your fees. You can see my screen, right?
Yes, Karthik.
Okay, thanks for the confirmation. And just give me a second. Just give me a second. Now just let me just brief you about like what and all you will be getting like once after your payment and everything. Just let me share you. Just give me a moment. Okay, there are like two payments are there. Okay, one is the partially paid, another one is the fully paid. Okay, the people whoever make the full payment, they are going to get Oracle class access and the first 10 classes of Snowflake sessions. The first 10 classes of Snowflake sessions are also available from the previous batch recordings. Okay, we will add you the Oracle classes. Oracle is a prerequisite for this program, so we are offering this Oracle course for free of cost. This is a complimentary program to you. This Oracle class consists of 15 hours of content. 10 videos will be available. You can access these videos for lifetime. You need to complete these Oracle classes to start the Snowflake. So the batch is starting from 31st, right? The batch is starting from 31st of October. You can see here in the page we clearly mentioned about this. The new batch is starting from 31st of October. You can see here. Okay. So before 31st of October, you need to complete these Oracle classes. You need to complete this Oracle classes so that you will be ready to understand the Snowflake classes. Got it? So for the first 10 classes of Snowflake also you are going to get here, which helps you to understand much better way, Okay. So, and you can go ahead with this. So, this is for fully paid. Okay. The people who are paid fully, they'll get both Oracle and the first 10 classes of Snowflake classes from previous batch. And the people who paid the partial fees, I mean, some payment today and remaining payment they'll pay like once the batch started or after 3 classes like that, after taking 1 week of time. Okay. For these people, only Oracle classes will be available. That's it. Okay. So you can start watching the Oracle videos because as the Oracle is more important for us to start the Snowflake. So we are providing these Oracle access for you, even you paid the partial amount as well. Okay. So the course price is 13,499 rupees for you. Okay. Whoever pays today. And as I said I'll be giving you, there are two payments, right? Partially paid. Even you can pay just 5,000 rupees and you can just like enroll the course as well. This 5,000 rupees will be considered as partially payment and you can get the Oracle course access here. If you go for the full payment, you can just pay 13,499 and you can go for the full payment and you can get the both Oracle and the first 10 classes of Snowflake as well. Both you'll get it here. Okay. Yes. And let me check here, like there are two chats are there. Will get any SQL sessions as well. Yes, as I said you are going to get these Oracle SQL classes as well. You're going to have like a 10 classes, 15 hours of content. Okay. You will be starting with complete basic question like what is data? Okay, how to create a table, what is tuple, what is row, what is column, each and everything you're going to get it here. Not a problem. Okay. Still any question from anyone, please?
Quick question. What do you mean that Oracle is a prerequisite for Snowflake? I don't think that is right.
Sorry, come again, please.
You said Oracle is a prerequisite to learn Snowflake. Is that what you said?
Sai Sri, can you hear that, please?
What am I doing Oracle though?
I'm there. Hello.
Yeah, my question is why do I have to learn Oracle?
Oracle.
Okay, why you have to learn Oracle? Yes.
Oracle for SQL purpose, you're not going to learn Oracle completely technology. We are trying to provide SQL. That's it. Is it just SQL?
Good. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you might have confused like by mentioning the Oracle here. It is like Oracle SQL. Okay. Yeah. Still any questions from anyone, please?
Yeah, so I just have a question. Okay, so just you're saying that if we pay the amount, right, so we will get Oracle videos and as well as Snowflake videos. So isn't this daily session, training, or you're going to provide only videos?
Yes. See, the thing is, every day you have the live session itself. Why we are providing videos? In the sense, the first 2 weeks, the classes will be bit slow. That means we need to give time to complete these Oracle classes as well. And so initially the people will be joining, the account creation process will be there. There will be installation process will be there. There are a lot of things are there, right? So to assist each and everyone, the classes will be bit slow in initial days, like from 1 to 2 weeks. The first 2 weeks, okay, the first 2 weeks you will be having only like 4 to 5 classes. That's it. First 2 weeks, per week you will be having like 2 to 3 classes only, like alternative days, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. We'll be continuing only 2 to 3 classes for the first 2 weeks. Okay, I mean the first week you'll be having 2 to 3 classes. Second week you'll be having 2 to 3 classes. That's it. After 2 weeks you will be having 5 classes in a week. 5 classes in a week, like Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday. Okay. Yeah, for like, see, many people will be getting more time here, right? The people who have done their installation initially, and the people who have completed the Oracle knowledge and who have Oracle SQL knowledge already. Okay. For these people, to make you engage with the content, we are just adding these first 10 classes of Snowflake from the previous batch videos. Okay. So that like you people can like have a engage with the content, so that like when the batch is started, when the classes are going on, you know like what she's going to teach you today. Okay, so when you know this, like you can raise the valid questions as well. And after like going with the recorded session and attending the live session, you no need to go through the recording again. Okay, once you watch the recording, if you go through the live, that is enough. You can directly go with the practice. Generally what people will do, they'll attend the live class, they'll try to understand the live session. After completion of live session, they'll go to the recording again multiple times, and they'll go for the practice. But if you if you just like start watching the recordings first and attend the live session, then it will be very clear for you. You will be a step ahead, like when compared with all other people. Okay, so that like it will be very easy to understand the concepts as well.
Yeah, we got it.
Still any questions from anyone? So we accept all the payment modes. We accept bank transfers, UPI. Sorry, come again, please. Someone is asking a question. Yeah, please.
Do you explain the course real-time process?
Yeah, we do go with the complete real-time training itself. Okay. Yeah, please go ahead.
Real time means like I cannot go with the real time data, but whatever the concepts are we are using in real time, everything I'm going to explore. Each and every topic whatever I experienced in real time, those things only. But with my data, that's the difference. Okay.
Okay.
Because you know, right, today people won't tell, clients won't allow us to get the data.
Yeah, we know.
That's the reason. So all are my experience. I mean, whatever in real time projects, what topics we used, those things. Few hours for interview means out of 10 projects, 7 I experienced in real time. But 3 topics for interview purpose we have to learn. For example, cache layer, nothing to do in real time. It's already enabled. Still, you should know what is cache layer. That kind of topics only I will explain you theoretically. But remaining all real time experience part. Okay.
So, yeah, this course, right? So where it is helping us on the Snowflake admin part or development part?
Completely development part. Admin in India as admin you won't get opportunities only. As a developer, you'll get more good opportunities and you can develop your career. Because I already doing work, right? I'm observing every admin who is wherever I'm working with Snowflake technology in that particular project, admin means the client related person only will be there. They won't hire vendors as admin. We are working through CTS or TCS or CTS, any company, right? We're joining as a vendor for the client generally. As a developers only, they will hire us. Admin, but completely client related employees will handle. So that's the reason opportunities we can't get much with the admin part. As a developer, you can settle down. So my part is completely developer. But admin topics also I will cover because some knowledge is important. When we cannot jump into the topics actually as a developer topics. So what experiences as a developer you want for admin topics that I will cover. Like architecture, how to create compute layer, database. Some parts, some topics I'm covering. It will be helpful for your interview purpose, but at the same time, in real time also, if someone is talking, you'll understand what they are speaking on, what we have to do. Okay.
And one more question. So I think there is no separate software for Snowflake, and that we can create on AWS, Azure, or GCP. So do I need to learn any one of those cloud tools, AWS, Azure, or GCP?
No,
to
you
get
don't
knowledge
want
on
any
Snowflake?
knowledge. No, you don't need any knowledge of AWS providers or anything. All of three. But how it will be helpful, I will explain you as a pipelines actually. So we no need all the AWS means if I go 100 plus services are there, right? We will use only S3 bucket, not all the services. Because we are not AWS developer and we don't want also in our Snowflake combination projects. That is the reason I'm saying we don't need any cloud knowledge, cloud providers knowledge. And someone is asking, will have developer role as well as support. See, support or developer means you will be suitable after this course. You will be suitable for developer or support role, but we don't know that companies will hire exactly. But you can join for anything, no problem. Okay.
Okay, so how many classes will be there for this Snowflake training?
Approximately 40 plus classes. Approximately, I'm saying. But I'll focus on the topics. Sometimes if people are taking some more time to understand one topic, I can go with the 2 days also. I never count day sessions actually.
Yeah, as per the previous batches, surely you'll be having 40 classes, but
40 plus.
due to the batch extension, it may 45 also, 43
Hmm.
also, depends on the batch understanding.
Yeah. I'll try to cover all the concepts. That is my agenda first of all. And one day it may be 1 hour 15 minutes, 1 hour, sometimes 1.5 hours also. If someone asking more questions and interesting, I want to extend means 1 hour 40 minutes also I'll take, because I'm only the single person. Everything I can handle, so I can adjust my classes. No problem. That's the reason.
Yeah, sure. And
You can see our
when
previous.
onwards the course is starting?
That admin team will guide you in through WhatsApp group.
From 31st of October, we are starting a new batch.
Okay.
Yeah, and you can see our previous batch reviews as well. So out of like 1,452 reviews, like 4.9 stars is our average. You can just click on these Google reviews and you can see the newest reviews. Okay. If you see the reviews here, see, I have almost 17 courses are available. Okay. If you can see here, more than 17 courses are available here. But out of 17 courses, okay, you can see the Snowflake domination here very clearly. Okay. Out of 10 reviews, like 6 will be from Snowflake itself. You can see the first one 5 days ago. This is about the Snowflake. Okay. And 2 weeks ago, Snowflake. This is about IICS. And this is about Snowflake again. You can see Sai Sri I'm teaching. This is Snowflake.
So I have one more question. Okay, so meanwhile, so this Snowflake also working as a ETL, right? So then why we need to learn a DBT or ADF or some other ETL tool?
Sai Sri, can you please take up that? Yeah.
Can you repeat the question? Sorry. Hello.
Yeah.
Please, can you repeat the question, Venkat? Yeah.
Okay. So Snowflake also process is working as a ETL process, right? And Snowflake also using
Yes.
ETL process. Then why we need to learn DB2 or ADF or some other ETL tools?
Again, ADF, we are not using like a ETL process. Yes, ADF is also one kind of transformations it can do. But in Snowflake, when we are using ADF, in real time, they are using for the data loading purpose. Still, it have capacity to do transformation, but in real time Snowflake projects combination, they are not using as a transformation purpose, only data loading. Okay, there only you'll go with ADF. No transformations. Single transformations also we won't perform. But the pipelines and the usage of ADF data loading is very real time to the projects. That's the reason they are giving that preference. Who is working with the Azure combination, Azure with Snowflake, for those technology, that combination of the projects, they will prefer ADF. They can prefer Snowpipe also, but maximum projects ADF to handle the huge data, to run the pipelines in real time. Once data is loaded immediately, that all purpose, no transformation. DBT is like a pure Snowflake also you can do transformations. No doubt on that. In market, pure Snowflake projects are there. But advanced, when I say advanced, that case DBT is helping a lot. Combination, single DBT you cannot use. DBT with Snowflake only it will work. Okay. Again, at the back end, Snowflake only will come into the picture finally. But advanced concept is, for example, snapshot is there. It is actually SCD type 2 concept. In Snowflake also you can write SCD type 2 query, no problem. But snapshot will be like a more advanced technique and less code, but at the back end it will work like SCD type 2. So like this, more benefits are there. Deployment is there. Snowflake, you cannot move the code from dev to UAT to prod, like that you cannot move. Bit management is required. But if you go to DBT, just merge concept, deployment, that's it. You can merge the code with branches and you can complete the deployment. Like that, some advanced techniques are there. That is the reason this combination is hit in the market.
Got it.
Without ADF also you can work. Azure with Snowflake, without using ADF also you can have the projects. But in place of ADF, Snowpipe will use. AWS with Snowflake, with using Snowpipe. Like the combination, this all. This ADF also from 2024, end of the 2024, people started trying this combination. It is also one hit combination. Before that, ADF is not there actually.
Okay. And I think one you explained about that S3, Amazon S3, that storage, and I think Azure Blob something, and
Right.
this is Snowflake, right? Snowflake is a data warehouse cloud tool. And S3 and the Blob also storage purpose only we are using, right? So what is the main difference from this Snowflake and any other cloud database tools?
Previously, in the very starting of Snowflake, how the projects used to be means, we have MySQL Server database, right? Postgres, SQL, Oracle, this all databases. They used to directly connect with the Snowflake. Okay, now projects changed the process. Every project, if you see 10 projects, if you take 6 to 7, you will have their own cloud provider maintenance. General, it may be Azure or AWS, not a matter. Some cloud provider already they are using. So now projects are changed. In place of connecting MySQL Server directly to Snowflake, now they are designing MySQL Server to keep the files. They're converting tables, whatever the tables are there, converting and pushing. MySQL Server people only pushing into S3 bucket. From S3 bucket, we are taking the data and loading into the Snowflake, because S3 bucket, we are having the data as a files. For Snowflake, it is a structured process. So on top of Snowflake only, you can do tables only, you can do queries. On S3 bucket, directly on files, we cannot do queries, right? It's like an intermediate layer between source and Snowflake. Even Azure or AWS, GCP, all of this process only happening.
Okay. Yeah, and one final question from my end. Okay, so if I learn Snowflake, is that a mandatory that I need to learn a DBT or any other ETL tool?
No, DBT is not mandatory, Matillion is not mandatory, all are not mandatory. But Snowflake, if you have, for example, in market, if you have 10 opportunities, Snowflake with the DBT means 7 opportunities you can grab easily. Means pure Snowflake projects people also will hire you. Snowflake with the DBT people also will hire you. Any combination you are suitable, your profile is suitable. Why need to, out of 10 requirements, 10 your profile will be suitable. If only Snowflake means few you can touch, few requirements you will miss. So my point is, any combination you should be able to get the opportunity. So without missing opportunity, I'm doing all this. Pure Snowflake, I worked previously 6 months back. Pure Snowflake also I worked. It's there, market is there.
Okay, thank you.
Opportunities
Sorry.
wise, everything is important, right, for us. So that's the
Okay.
reason.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Sorry, guys. I think I have asked many things and I hadn't given chance to you guys.
This
Maybe you can
good for
ask a
everyone.
question.
No, yeah, good questions only asked, no problem. It's good for everyone. It will be clear idea about combinations.
Yeah, thank you. So, okay, I'm sorry. I have one more. So, is that possible to provide a kind of a proxy support if I end up Snowflake?
Maximum, I'll say no for no, not maximum, 100% no. Because why proxies no means I also done proxies before the lockdown time. I have experience on that also. But still, why I'm saying no means in real time now how it is happening means suddenly after 2 rounds they may ask you third round come to office. It is a manager round, just HR discussion like that, and they may ask you to visit the office for last round. Chances are there now. And at that time, technically, you should be strong, right? If we give support now, that time you may not crack the third round. Not only that, once you join in the company, after 1 month or 2 months, also client when you are joining with, I mean, you are allocating the project, maybe client will take interview to you. So this all will like a danger steps in future. So that is the reason it may takes 1 or 2 weeks late, no problem. I will ask you to try yourself only. If you want preparation guidance, I will already I am giving. Still personally also I'll give preparation guidance. Wherever you are stuck, where you are feeling low, everywhere I will help you. Proxy is not good to encourage.
Okay.
Always. That's the
Yeah,
main
and
because yeah.
yeah, sorry. So currently I'm working as a Informatica Cloud admin. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So if I learn Snowflake, I mean, I have 10 years experience. Okay. So if I learn Snowflake, how it will help me and how I will get calls.
You can say your all previous experience in Informatica only, not admin like that, just Informatica. And after that, from 3.4 years, you have Snowflake. In that also, initially you worked with Snowflake. After that, you change Snowflake with DBT. Like
Okay.
that, you can. No need to worry on DBT. Actually, DBT have very, very less topic, 5 to 6. That's it. That is also straightforward only.
Yeah, okay, sure. Yeah.
I will
Thank you so
explain
much.
very clearly. Okay, yes, thanks for everyone who have doubts, they can unmute and they can ask me the questions.
Can you please tell about the openings of for freshers? Because everywhere I see about this Snowflake technology, I see 2 or 3 plus experience they need, or I
You're
don't know.
completely fresher or when you completed your graduation?
This year only, 2025.
2025.
Yes, yes.
Okay. We completed May, right? Sorry. Yeah,
Uh,
okay. May batch, something like that. So yeah, what you can do means you can, if they ask you also, you will get 1 year experience opportunities also. But less. For 3 years will get 10 requirements means you will get 5 requirements. That differences I will agree. But what you can do means you can keep internship. Okay, in right now you, if you know, already trend is there, so already you can keep 6 7 months internship. Like that you can keep, and you can go with the, I mean, 6 months whenever you are doing college, college fourth year only you started your internship. After that, this gap is there, right? This gap you completely move to full-time employee for the same company. Like that, if you take documents, you can try with 1 year also, no problem.
okay, if they ask if you done any project or will you provide or
I'm
anything?
explaining this much subject, right? 10 years the person only ready to join. Then how much subject I'll explain? That is enough.
Okay, okay,
For you, it's more than enough. My topics are more actually.
okay, okay.
You can try that.
So hope everyone is good with the content like what we shared today, and hope you are seeing the reviews as well here. Okay, you can see a candidate got like tried with 4 years of experience from like from 4 LPA to 10 LPA she got. Okay, so this is how it will be. So the only one thing is you need to concentrate more and you need to be consistent towards the program. Once you are consistent towards the program, then definitely like you can get good opportunities okay, you'll get confidence first of all, okay? If you get the confidence to clear the interview, then that is more than enough. Okay, you can easily get the opportunity. You can easily give the interviews as well. No need to worry about that. You can see all the reviews here. Out of like 10 reviews, you can not even 6, okay, more than 7 reviews are there for the Snowflake itself. Okay, so hope you have seen the complete things here.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes,
Sir,
please.
I am coming from non-technical background, sir. I have been working in the school. So due to some family issues, I had to work in private schools and so on. Then when I came across this video, sir, I was a little bit inspired about it, and I would like to do it eagerly, sir. So what would be the suggestion for me? I finished my final degree, that was MSW, in 2008, sir. From that time to from 2008 to now, I am totally away from the academic level, but I was in the teaching field, sir. I have been in the teaching field.
Yes, I know about your profile already. Like, I hope like we have already discussed over call on this. Okay,
Yes.
don't worry about it. I'll help you more in the personal call because like dealing the professional complete experience here in this session will be not good. So I'll help you more like by taking more details from you. No need to worry about that. Okay. So
Yes.
see, whatever I can say here is for you, like you have a huge career gap right now. So how you can manage the things is you can try with like 3 to 4 years of relevant experience by putting some documents here. Okay, you can easily showcase 3 to 4 years of relevant experience, and by gaining these 3 to 4 years relevant experience knowledge, you can easily clear the interview. Okay, now the huge part is to learn the concepts, to practice well, to gain the 3 to 4 years experience knowledge is more important for your profile right now.
Yes, yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, so this is the only thing that you can do it. If you can do these things right now, then remaining things it will automatically help you, like how to do it. How to,
Sir, approximately how many months or years I have to practice, sir? I mean, just before joining for the
it
any work.
depends on your understanding level. Okay, if you can complete the classes on the same day, you no need to wait for one day also. Right after completion of the training, you can go for the interviews.
Yes, yes.
Okay, it completely depends on your understanding level. So for
Yes, sir.
to complete one session practice, how many days you are
Yes,
taking?
sir.
See, few people will just complete within an hour. Okay, so few people
Yes,
will
sir.
take 2 to 3 times. They'll watch the video and they'll go for the practice. So it completely depends on your end and your understanding level and like your learning process. These things
Yes, sir.
will help you here. Don't worry about it. We'll help you in all
Yes,
the
sir.
way.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time and suggestions.
Sure. And I can see a question here. I have 38 years old and a 4 years gap. Please give me a bit clarification on this situation. See, like you already having any experience previously on IT? Can you please confirm?
Yeah, Karthik, it's around like 1 year.
Sorry, around?
1 year.
Okay, around 1 year only. Then like what you can do is like what are the 4 years gap you have? You need to go with some fake experience here in these 4 years. Okay, put some fake experience in these 4 years and try to gain good knowledge and try to give the interviews. If you are feeling difficulty with 4 years, you can try with 3 years as well. You have both the options like 3 to 4 years experience. You can easily mention and you can try to give the interviews as well.
Okay. Does it matter any ages on this?
No, not at all. Okay. See, right now the people 38 years is like it's a very normal thing. The people who have a 10 years of experience right now in the industry, okay, obviously they'll be crossing 38 easily. Okay. Even the people who have 50 plus years also, they got job recently. Okay, I'll just show you that review as well. Okay. You can see these are the completely SaiSri reviews. Okay, you can see here how the people are feeling like right after completion of their course. Okay, so here you can see, I think this is not the guy, but I'm just like showing his review as well, Krishna Reddy. So he's having 15 years of experience. Okay, 15 years of experience, and his current package is 30 LPA. Okay, and he just like joined our 9th batch, and he just tried with 4 years relevant experience. Okay, and he got 37 LPA job. Okay, whenever you are at this package, mostly it is very difficult to get hike, even though if you change the job as well, it is very difficult. But if you can see here, he got 7 LPA. Okay, that means basic 30% hike, he got it already. Like that it will be, don't worry about it. Even though if you're having 38 years or 40 years or 45 years, that doesn't matter. Your learning processes matters.
Okay.
Okay, yes.
Okay.
You can see here, these are the reviews, everything. I have showed you enough reviews here already. If you want, you can just search RajCloud Technologies. You can get the Google profile here. Just click on reviews. Just click on reviews. And you can see here many reviews. Just click on newest. You can find out the latest reviews as well. Okay, yeah. I hope like everyone got the good knowledge, everything in the session. Okay, if you still have any doubts, please contact us on this number 8105296858. From morning 8 a.m. to night 11 p.m. we will be available. You can reach out us anytime on this number, over call or message, anything is fine. Okay, you can just like take a screenshot or something else here. And the people who wanted to make the payment, you can use these UPI details. Okay, you can use these UPI details and you can make the payment, and you can just share the screenshot with us, so that like we will start your registration process as well. And there are like, see, we don't take huge slots as well. We will be taking max 25 people in a batch, that's it. Max people is 25 people is, that's it. If we cross even one student also, we'll be going with the next batch only. We'll assign them for we'll assign that particular student to the next batch only. So the limited slots are available. So I thought like 8 to 9 slots are already filled. Okay, just try to complete your registration as early as possible, so that like you can start the Oracle SQL classes as well. Got it? Thank you all for joining session today. This session is recorded and this session will be uploading here in these RajCloud Technologies. Okay, by tomorrow morning 11 a.m. or 10 a.m. you can check out the video. Okay, the video will be uploaded here in this YouTube channel. I am sharing the YouTube channel link once again over chat. Please subscribe to our channel so that you can get the notifications as well when we upload the videos. Thank you all for joining session today. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.